Kanaloa, the diaper baby. Diaper Dash, Jack-Jack race. Kanaloa is gonna do it right now. We're getting ready. Are you not entertained?
So we will allow 2 parents or 3, anyone who's on the start with the baby. One at the start line and one at the finish line. And then any older siblings can wait at the finish line. But we will ask that only the babies touch the mats. Okay. Just because it's been sanitized. That's it.
Stretch the lower back.
Oh, sorry.
Hey! Thank you.
No, that's what I'm up to.
You see mommy? Here's mommy.
Alright, so some fun facts about these babies here. So right here, this is baby Everett, am I correct?
Kanaloa.
Kanaloa, you're Kanaloa. Oh, you're so smiley. He's dressed as Buzz Lightyear. Kanaloa is 11 months old, all the way from California. Now, we've been told he's very cute, but also likes to act like a dinosaur, which I love. Which means, oh, they're so cute. Alright, so some fun facts about these babies here. So right here, this is baby Everett, am I correct? Kanaloa, you're Kanaloa, looks so smiley. He's dressed as Buzz Lightyear. Kanaloa is 11 months old, all the way from California. Now, we've been told he's very cute, but also likes to act like a dinosaur, which I love. Which means you right here, this is baby Everett. Everett is nice to them. And on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, raise those babies! And Everett and Kanaloa are off. They're kind of
Where's mommy? Praise God,